We are at Symphony Park in downtown Las Vegas, and what is going on here is incredible. So what is Symphony Park? Symphony Park is a 61-acre mixed-use development located in the heart of downtown Las Vegas. It is home to cultural landmarks such as the Smith Center for Performing Arts, the Discovery Children's Museum, and the Cleveland Clinic 𝗺𝗶𝗆𝗆 Center for Brain Health. And scheduled for completion in 2028 is the Las Vegas Museum of Arts. But let me give you a little bit of history about Symphony Park and how it came about. Symphony Park is a 61-acre mixed-use development located in the heart of downtown Las Vegas. This location was once a railroad depot for the Union Pacific Railroad, which at one point was completely abandoned and desolate. It all started with our former very charismatic mayor, Oscar Goodman, in the early 2000s, had a vision that downtown did not need any more casinos, but instead it needed a culture district where commerce, culture, arts, and community would come together. So this is what we're going to do next. First of all, I am going to show you all the developments, both residential and commercial, that are taking place in Symphony Park. Second, I'm going to show you all the commercial and entertainment areas immediately surrounding us and why they are important to the successful development of Symphony Park. And finally, I'm going to go over all the pros and the cons so that you can make an educated decision on either this is a good choice for you for either an investment home or an owner-occupied home. So stay tuned because you don't want to miss out on anything. Now let's get started. Right behind me is the future site of Origin, one of the biggest developments happening in the city right now. $450 million mixed-use project located in the heart of downtown Las Vegas. It will include luxury condos, rental apartments, restaurants, shops, and offices, all designed to create a walkable, vibrant urban space. The centerpiece is 𝗪𝗪 Tower, a 32-story luxury condo building, the first of its kind in over 15 years here. It will offer 240 high-end units with strip and mountain views. One-bedroom units will start at $700,000, two-bedroom units just over $1.1 million, and the penthouses residents on the top floors will begin at $4.5 million. Amenities will include a rooftop pool, a wellness center, co-working spaces, pet spa, and outdoor lounges. Reservations are open now with a $10,000 deposit, and move-ins are expected by the late 2026. Origin is more than just a building, it's part of a larger vision to redefine urban living in Las Vegas. Behind me here instead is 𝗺𝗶𝗀𝗁 at Symphony Park. 𝗺𝗶𝗀𝗁 is a 5-story, 324-unit luxury apartment development. It was completed in 2021 by Southern Land Company. It offers a mix of studio, 1-bedroom, and 2-bedroom residences, with sizes ranging from 591 to 1,452 square feet. Studios start at approximately $1,300 per month. 1-bedroom units range from $1,643 to $2,500 a month, and 2 bedrooms range from $2,000 to $3,700 per month. 𝗺𝗁𝗁 offers resort-style amenities including a saltwater pool with a 13-feet jumbotron, rooftop lounge with views of Symphony Park, a fitness center, yoga studio, pet spa, co-working spaces, and private cabanas. Residents also enjoy in-unit washers and dryers, quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, and keyless entry systems. Located adjacent to the Smith Center for Performing Arts and within walking distance to downtown attractions, 𝗺𝗁𝗁 provides a blend of luxury and convenience in one of Las Vegas' most exciting neighborhoods. And kitty corner from the park, right behind me, you find Park Haven. Park Haven is a 5-story, 290 luxury apartment complex in the heart of Symphony Park. It was completed in 2021 and it offers a variety of floor plans, including studios, 1-bedroom, 2-bedroom, and spacious townhomes with sizes ranging from 530 to 1,084 square feet. Studios start at approximately $1,263 a month. 1-bedroom units range between $1,448 to over $2,600 per month. 2-bedroom units range between $1,870 to $4,600 a month, and the townhomes start at approximately $2,455 per month. Even boasts a range of upscale amenities, including a resort-style heated pool, a fitness center, a resident lounge, co-working spaces, a dog spa, bike shop and wash, and controlled access parking. The apartments feature finishes like quartz countertops and textured tile backsplashes, built-in wine racks, and hardwood flooring. It is located just steps from the Smith Center for Performing Arts and within walking distance to downtown attraction. Park Haven offers a blend of luxury and convenience, and the move-in specials are currently available, including up to 2 months free on select units when you move in by June 15th. Other developments and coming soon status are the Charlie Palmer Hotel, which is a 371-room boutique hotel, and another 2 luxury mid-rise apartment buildings, 𝗪𝗲𝗹 and 𝗀𝗵𝗆. If you would like any other information about Symphony Park or any details about the properties that we just covered, please feel free to comment me below, and I'll be more than happy to reach back out to you and provide you with the information that you need. What I'm going to do now is tell you about the proximity of the Art District, Fremont Street, East Side District, and some popular residential areas that surround us in the neighborhood. Just minutes away from the heart of Symphony Park, the Las Vegas Art District is more than just a creative hub, it's a catalyst for urban revival. With its blend of galleries, breweries, vintage shops, and vibrant First Friday events, the area pulses with culture and local energy. This proximity to Symphony Park and the World Market Center creates a powerful synergy. As demand grows for walkable, art-centric neighborhoods, the Art District is driving interest, tourism, and investment towards Symphony Park. Expect more mixed-use development, rising property values, and a stronger urban identity. Together, they're shaping the future of downtown, defined by culture, innovation, and community-driven growth. One of my favorite places when I come to the Art District is 𝗏𝗏, the best ice cream in town. Walking down Fremont Street, it's easy to see why this part of downtown Vegas has become such a cultural hotspot. From street art and coffee shops to breweries and live music, the energy here is electric. It's just a short walk from Symphony Park. That proximity matters. As Fremont Street continues to grow, it's natural expanding its influence outward. Symphony Park, with anchors like the Smith Center, the World Trade Center, and the new medical district, is perfectly positioned to absorb that momentum. You're looking at two districts that are starting to blend. Fremont Street brings the culture, foot traffic, and local buzz, while Symphony Park offers the space, infrastructure, and long-term planning for serious development. Together, they're creating a connected urban core. And for investors, this is where things get exciting. The demand for walkable, experience-driven neighborhoods is growing fast. As Fremont thrives, property values, business opportunities, and mixed-use potential in and around Symphony Park are all on the rise. This isn't just revitalization, it's full-scale reinvention of downtown Las Vegas, and it's happening right now. Just to give you a little bit of history about downtown Las Vegas, downtown Las Vegas was the original Las Vegas. That's where Las Vegas got started. So it's basically surrounded by neon lights and vintage signage and lots of, little old Las Vegas gimmicks. So, but it's really, really interesting because you're able to see the blend in the old with the new. So I find it fascinating, and it's a lot of fun. First of all, you don't pay strip casino prices just to eat a burger, but instead you could just walk up to any little restaurant and they have to go. So it's a lot more casual, a lot more easy, accessible. You could walk on the street. There's an area that is basically close to traffic. Where we are, it's actually open to traffic, but I'm going to show you that. From there, we're going to go down Main Street, which is basically what connects the Smith Center, which is the new area. And also on the outskirts of all these areas, we also find the residential areas, which are basically Giannis Park District and the Huntridge. And of course, our district also has a big residential area on the outskirts. The beauty about this area is that it's all basically within half a mile from each other. So, if you decide to, for example, if you wanted to get a place at the Smith Center in one of the high rises, you get the new, which is the ultra-modern, the slick, straight glass ceiling, walls. And you can also just walk downstairs, walk a few blocks, and you're going to be right in the middle of where I am right now. And so it's really, really entertaining. There's plenty of shops and restaurants and art museums and antique stores. I find it really, really, really fun. And that is the purpose of this video. I'm going to share all that with you guys. So if we continue east on Fremont Street, we enter the historic east side. And if you've been in Vegas long enough, you know this area was considered pretty rough, even straight up ghetto by some standards. But a lot has changed. This place has gone through a serious transformation. It's part of a federally designated opportunity zone, which means there are big incentives here for investors and business owners to get in early, and many already have. You got vintage motels being flipped into cool bars, art popping up on every corner, and local businesses thriving. And what's really wild, just a few blocks west, you hit Symphony Park. So what's the stretch? It's like the gritty, authentic side leading right into the polished core of Las Vegas' downtown future. So whether you're a creative, a small business owner, or just looking for a next opportunity, this part of Las Vegas is buzzing. The median prices of homes here in Las Vegas are expected to increase between 2.5 and 3.5%. The median home price is expected to reach $500,000. Inventory levels as of 2025, we have 5,800 homes on the market. That is a decline of 2.5% in respect to last year, which indicates a tighter housing market. The rental market in Las Vegas is around $1,800 a month for apartments, with Symphony Park demanding a higher rate considering the fact that it has modern amenities and its proximity to downtown. Showed you Symphony Park and all the developments going on. Showed you the surrounding area, the art district, Fremont Street, and the historical east side. And I briefly went over some statistical numbers about the housing market and rental market here in Las Vegas. 2025, this spot is heating up, and it's not just because of the desert heat. It's one of the most exciting urban redevelopments happening right now, blending culture, luxury, and opportunity. But before you jump in, let's talk about what's really going on. First off, the market. Las Vegas overall is competitive, but it's not all up, up, up. As of April 2025, the median home price dipped by $5,000 to $480,000. So yeah, the market is shifting, and that's something to keep in mind. Now let's talk about construction. Symphony Park is booming, which is great in the long term. But if you're planning to move in or rent it out soon, just note that there will be dust. Projects like Cello Tower and other mixed-use builds are still in progress, with a few years to go before everything is polished and done. And then there's affordability. Symphony Park is not your budget-friendly option. It's a high-end, luxury condos in Cello Tower. You're starting at around $700,000. Great if you're looking for premium living or long-term gains. Not so great if you're price-sensitive and looking for instant cash flow. So here's the bottom line. Symphony Park has a lot going on for it. It's surrounded by cultural gem. It sits right in the middle of downtown, being all revitalized. and it's only going to get more attractive as the project finishes up. But like any good investment, it's not without any trade-offs. High buy-in, some construction noise, and a little patience are required. So if you're serious about visiting the area, talk to a local agent and see if it matches your goals. It could be your next big win. So that brings us to the end to our video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope that you could use the information that I provided. If there's anything else that I could answer, please feel free to comment me, and I'll get back to you as ASAP. So in the meanwhile, I want to thank you very, very much for those of you who stayed to the very end. I am very grateful. Don't forget to subscribe so that you will receive the first video that comes out every week. And in the meanwhile, that's 𝗪𝗲𝗋𝗶𝗯𝗀. Thank you so much.